Kaku tono e nei taru ki Kura I whakarite.
Can I have a turn?
Far away, Josh. Your puku will be full for sure.
You know, you can actually eat seaweed. It's full of nutrients. Finally, lunch. What the? Everyone's starving.
He tika tēnei, Josh.
Gotta give the first fish to Tangaroa as a mihi.
Kia tūpato! Toro! Tiare! What are you doing?
Toro! Toro! Toro, kei te pai koe?
Ka pai, Tiare. Ka pai.
So, we've only got the Godstick of Tumatoinga to find, but 3 places to search?
You mean you don't even know where you're going? My koro said, if you don't know where you're headed, you'll arrive nowhere. And so I'll make sure
What were you saying, Josh?
If we think about it logically, the Godstick could be in all these places.
How's that logical?
Well, we know the Godsticks have the ability to appear or disappear, right? So maybe it's not where we look, but how we look.
Ha well done. Tumatoinga is famous for his strategies.
But he's more famous for his prowess in battle. He's a great warrior.
He's also about planning, innovation, and resilience.
Oh.
We will have to split up.
That's your plan? Go in different directions?
I will stay here in Mawhera with Toro. And if we find nothing, we'll meet you back here in 3 days.
And we'll travel further south towards the maunga.
Hikoi, ano.
Great warriors are used to long walks into battle.
Tiare! Where is the Godstick?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
They don't know, and I don't know who to follow.
Well, good thing you dealt to that tohunga. I was this close to sending in the punatsuri to deal to those pesky kōtiro. Tēnā rā koe e hoa.
You don't think the Godstick will be found in this rohe, do you?
Young Josh always says things happen for a reason. I sense Kura is the one to find that reason.
She is annoyingly well organized.
Aue! Tirohia tēnei!
I don't see anything.
It's got to be a Maero.
Are you sure?
100%. My koro told me all the stories about the fierce Maero who roam these maunga.
Yeah, nah. It's probably just someone dressing up to scare people. That's probably made by someone dragging a stick.
Oh, yeah. There was this one time.
someone actually pretended to be a Maero.
Come on, it's getting dark. We need to find somewhere safe for the night.
Josh is right. Does your koro say anything about Maero playing with sticks as they walk? Come on then.
You haven't discovered the location of the final god stick. You haven't even managed to steal one from them.
No, but...
And you've barely slowed them down. Must I do everything myself?
Oh, so that's why you're making the fake Maero footprints.
Eh?
I'll make sure they follow the footprints while you check the cave for the god stick. Nice plan.
Seems I barely need you then, ne? Te Taiao delivers such fortunate circumstances.
Tiare! Tiare! Tiare!
So, you're missing me?
We need to stay together. We wouldn't last a night if we got separated.
Uh-oh. Why would he make 2 more sets?
Taiao delivers such fortunate circumstances.
Guys, these are looking pretty real. And now the Maero's been joined by 2 even bigger mates.
Relax. It's just a trick. There's probably a cave up there. And, you know...
Come on, these are not fake.
The tracks are just like Ruiha's. I'm sure of it.
We keep going.
Look, look! You were right, Josh! A cave! Huh?
Kazumi, hide in mine. Kazumi, hide in mine.
You can't do this.
Pesky little bug.
That was close.